to the Batch Lady, and I am here with Mel from Spice Pots.
Hi.
Thanks for joining us.
Great to be back.
It's so much fun. Okay, we are doing vegetarian recipes, aren't we, this time? Tons of you had asked for vegan and vegetarian recipes. This recipe is vegan and vegetarian.
It is, yeah.
So you can all use it, okay? It is spiced sweet potato and pepper soup. Great one for this time of year. Fab to get in the freezer, really easy. Use it as a lunch. Have it as an easy supper with sort of bread and cheese and various other things. A fab thing to do. Great for saving money to take to work as well. And it's super yummy because we're using your spices and it gives a lovely tang through it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just makes it a little bit different. It's so easy to use our spices with vegetables. Just gives it, adds a little bit extra to it. Super healthy as well. Great for your lunchbox too.
Brilliant. Excellent. Right, let's get going. So, Mel, you're over at the cooker. Mel is going to add in some coconut oil. Because this is sweet potato soup, you can actually buy sweet potato chunks. So this is one from Tesco, or you can buy one from Asda, and I think various other places do it. It's already chopped for you, which is absolutely brilliant, okay? So chopped into tiny bits, saves you that hand chopping sort of thing.
Just going to put it onto the bottom.
Yep, so you're going to need five cups of this. Roughly 5 cups, or this was 600 grams, about that, okay? Next we're going to add in some sliced mixed peppers, and we're going to add in 2 cups of these, okay? And I love mixed peppers because you don't have to buy all the different peppers. You can just buy one whole bag that's got a bit of everything in it.
Lovely.
Excellent. So we've added in all our frozen veg now, and we leave it for about 5 minutes to sit and simmer, okay? Okay guys, so next, Mel, we are adding in your spice pots. Can you see this one? It's very cute. I love the labelling. We're adding how many teaspoons of this? Let me just check my recipe. 2 teaspoons of Goan
Spice,
spice.
yeah. So
I'm going to give that to you.
This is the spiciest one, but this recipe won't be spicy. So, you know, you need to add quite a lot of it for it to be spicy. So this is just going to add a lovely, lovely warmth, a little bit of difference to your soup.
Excellent. And that's what you want when you're having a sort of vegetable soup. You want something that's got those lovely sort of, it's got depth. I like a bit of depth. And next we're just going to add 1.5 litres of vegetable stock. I just made this from a stock cube, a vegetable stock cube. You just add it in. Are you good to go?
Good to go, thank you. Now, we have now added in all of our veg, and that is just going to sit and simmer for about 20 minutes. Until everything's soft.
Until everything's soft, and then we're going to give it a little whiz up. So 20 minutes, come back to me then. Okay guys, so we are back. So we've waited 20 minutes and you should see this soup. Oh, it's delicious. It smells amazing.
It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's got the going in there, but it's lovely. Yeah.
Yep, it's really good. So we're just going to give this a quick whiz. Now, would you whiz this to soup to death, or just a quick?
Well, I like it smooth, but I think you can do whatever you like.
Okay.
Yes.
Give me 1 minute and I'll let you see how I do it. Okay guys, so I have whizzed that. Now you would like it really smooth and I like it a bit chunky, so we've done a bit in the middle, okay? And it looks like, oh, it really looks like a lentil sort of delicious soup. What else are we going to add in?
We're just going to add a little bit of seasoning. Obviously do this to suit your family. A little bit of salt and then a little bit of coriander. And that's it, all good to go.
The coriander is amazing.
It just gives it a bit of colour as well, so it's lovely.
Yep. And all you want to do, guys, so I'm going to let you see it in the bag, okay? So you can imagine it in a bowl. But once it's cool, I mean it's starting to cool now, it's still quite a steam coming off. You want to use one of these soup bags that have a base on the bottom of it. And you just want to fill it up as much. You probably need 2 ladle spoons per person.
Lovely. And make sure you label it.
Yeah, why do you need to label it, Mel?
Well, we had an incident in the family when I took something out of the freezer. At first I thought it was a Thai chicken curry, and then as it started to defrost, I realised it was a completely different colour from chicken, so I thought it was a lamb bhuna. And then when it finally defrosted, I realised it was a beef stew. So the rice didn't quite go, we had to do baked potatoes. Yeah, bit of a muddle.
Yeah,
yes.
So basically, if you don't want to end up with a UFO, an unidentified frozen object, then make sure you label it, as I have. I'm terrible, I've got plenty of stuff like that as well. So label it, I have labelled mine, sweet potato and pepper spice pot soup. Absolutely delicious, give it a go. This took literally no time at all. Thanks Mel.
Lovely.
Bye.